Like about this place?
It's nice.
And what is the one dish you like?
Chicken nuggets maybe. I will taste it. It's the first time.
Oh, it's your first time. Oh, okay. So you like this place? The location? It's good? Okay. Thanks a lot. Varun, what do you like about this place?
Sorry?
What do you like about this place?
Everything. The chicken is nice.
Okay.
Taste is good.
Okay. So what's the one dish you like?
I've tried chicken fingers.
Okay.
So that's very nice.
So you would recommend that to your customers?
Yeah.
So what have you ordered today?
Today fried chicken
Okay.
and chicken stick.
So you'll be coming back again?
Definitely.
Thanks a lot.